It's been just over 12 months since I decided to move out of the Buddhist monastery I was living in and go back to living full-time on the road. I guess a lot's changed in the space of a year. Could you live in this for 12 months? Nor me. This is my home. She's an eldest of Vante named Big Tracy. It's about time that I posted a tour of the caravan and my favourite things about her. Having an awning attached almost doubles my living space and helps with additional storage too. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that we spend a lot of time outside, come rain or shine. The awning makes for a comfortable environment for reading, meditation, study, and the odd bit of cooking. It's not uncommon to meet others on the campsites and play a few games with drinks and a few laughs. The awning is also where my air fryer lives, for when I fancy throwing a quick meal together. As we open the side door, we enter through the kitchenette, which is a decent size with a surprising amount of storage space. I'm pretty house proud, so with the lounge doubling as a bedroom, I like to keep things nice and fresh. I've made a few modifications, such as wiring an amplifier to the speakers and installing some 5-inch fans for additional circulation. Each bunk acts as a sofa and a bed, with lots of storage underneath. I often use the fold-out table for eating and playing games if I'm entertaining. Although I mostly sleep on a single bunk if I'm alone, the bed takes around 90 seconds to set up. And for when Emily stays over, I camp in the awning, which I love too. The heater and refrigerator are both powered by a choice of gas or electric, and the control panel is simple to use. I've made some modifications on Big Tracy's big old back end. These adhesive tiles from B&M worked a treat, and I decided to create a fun chalkboard to share messages of empowerment to my daughter and strongly worded insults to others. I'm pretty lucky to have a lot of preparation area in the kitchen compared to some caravans out there. The 4-ring gas hob is great, and the grill and oven are ideal for cooking homemade pizzas or when we bake cakes, for example. The fridge is a good size too, but the freezer, well, it's a little small. The final door is the bathroom and laundry room. You can easily fit 2 people in here. And yes, most of the skincare products are mine. Some people are genuinely shocked that I have running water in a toilet when I tell them that I live in a caravan. Because I live on various holiday sites, there's always facilities available 24/7. So I decided to convert my shower cubicle into a laundrette, equipped with a washer, dryer, wash bin, storage, and this cute ironing board too. I'm definitely the only person I know with this kind of setup, and the best thing is, it never trips the electric. Although there's usually laundry facilities on sites I visit, having this as a backup works perfectly. When it comes to storage, I have all of the space that I need, and more, but I'm a minimalist. So there we have it, a brief look inside Big Tracy. Most of the fun really does happen outdoors. After all, that's the whole reason I chose to continue living a more nomadic lifestyle. Living in my converted minibus back in 2016-17 was good, but the caravan really does feel like a step up from van life.